Good morning, YouTube. This is the current state of my Trexus xmaxx body. It's taken the winter beatings kind of hard. As you can see, it is cracked to pieces and not in the greatest shape. But for the most part, it's still there, right? Yeah. So today I will be, you can see there's holes there. This side's okay, but I will be removing the duct tape and doing the drywall tape. And instead of shoe glue, I picked up DAP Ultra Clear. Clearer than silicone, stays crystal clear, not yellowing. Adheres to wet surfaces. I'm hoping that this flexible sealant will work just as well as shoe glue. We will find out. To be continued.
There's a couple things that need adjusting.
Part of the process I'm doing involves isopropyl alcohol and cleaning the entire inside of my really dirty xmaxx body. So I just wanted to show the condition this winter has left my xmaxx body in. So as you can see, I landed a few times. Yeah, I got a couple of really big cracks, and you know, when the racing comes in, it's just shattered. So my attempt to make this last a little bit longer will consist of this and this.
Come on, Crane. Come on, Crane, don't break. Oh, it's bending like crazy.
Okay, so an update on my Xbox body repair. I'm using drywall tape, and I decided to buy DAP Ultra Clear. I have no idea if this was a good idea or not. So far I've been using thin blue gloves to try and spread it around on the body, which has caused a couple of gloves to fingertips to rip off. The tape moves around, and it has not been the easiest application. So I don't know if this was a good idea yet. I'm starting to assume it wasn't, but as you can see, the Xbox body has seen better days. So we're gonna keep going ahead. One of the problems I've ran into is spreading. This stuff has pulled on some of the tape in here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's moved some of the tape, so I've put on extra tape as it's drying to try and counteract that. So I have most of this front area done through the windshield. That's about it, up onto the roof here. So I will pick this video back up when I get further along, because I'm taking a break. Okay, so update on the body. I've been at this for a couple hours now. I'm kind of plugging away. I got about almost half a tube on there. And it seems to be working okay. Let's see. As you can see there, you know, I had some extensive damage on this thing. So I, have a big issue right there. I don't know how I'm going to fix this, or if it's going to be fixable. Because, I mean, let's face it, once they're effed, then they're probably effed. But I'm trucking along. I have glued into here. I've glued along here. Most of this window. I still have this entire side to do. So, I've now adapted thicker blue gloves instead of these super thin ones because they just break apart. And yeah, hopefully by the end of this video, which is going to be compiled of multiple little videos, we will have a successful upgrade. It's only one layer of tape through most of it. I have double layered parts like in here. You know, there's a couple pieces there. I have multiple pieces right on here. Well, as you can see, you're kind of like whoop whoop. So we're working on it. I might go out and get some more stuff from Home Depot here in a little bit to try and maybe put multiple products on there and see how bad I screw this up. Thanks.